Today I'm gonna taste Kiki's Krack. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up some Kiki's Krack, and it's crack, kind of like addictive crack cocaine, but it's not. It's food. Delicious treats, apparently. And it's certainly not like plumber's crack, because I would not taste Kiki's plumber's crack. But what I ordered here are some different flavors of Kiki's Krack, and they are in these little plastic jars here. And if I'm looking at the bottom here, they actually have the flavors right here. This one's Black Forest, this one is Strawberries and Cream, and this one is the original Krack. Now, I will tell you that I didn't really know what to expect. I saw an ad for these online, and they looked pretty good. And when you call something crack, you have to assume that it is decadent and addictive. So I thought I would give it a try. What you can see here is it kind of looks like a blob of stuck together chocolate. And this is the original Krack, so doing research for you guys. Ooh, man. There's definitely a sugar rush in there. First of all, we got big hulking amounts of chocolate on the outside. I think this is a marshmallow. I think this is like butterscotch or something. It is kind of ridiculously decadent. But this is the kind of research I want to do for you. I can kind of feel it getting stuck on my teeth. That's pretty good. I guess they don't send it to you in a big bag because you will probably eat the whole thing and die of instant diabetes. I thought I would try the strawberries and cream too. It would be a little easier to identify what is in here. Not really sure, but like I said, it's like melted chocolate on the outside. And then it's almost like cookies and dried strawberries on the inside. There's that white chocolate taste. There's nothing about this that feels guiltless. You know, even if you're eating a peanut M&M, there's part of me that's like, peanut, that's not candy. But 100% of this is completely just sweets. So I get why they call it crack, because you don't want to eat too much of this. Wow. Pretty chewy too. And it's pretty delicious. Now I will say, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if you were going to get this in a bag or something like this. A small jar like this, it's kind of like a large candle. Each of these were 15 bucks. Paid the full boat price on them, but they're pretty delicious. But if you're looking for a really good deal, something like Popcornopolis or something like that in a bigger bag for a little less money is going to kind of give you more mileage. But if you do want something that's interesting, mail ordered, maybe you're ordering it as a gift to have it shipped to someone else, these are pretty darn good. Slightly hard to describe. It's like hunks of marshmallow and compressed cake and candy wrapped in chocolate. It's delicious. And I'm trying not to eat anymore because the research portion of this is already done. But if you want to taste Kiki's Krack as well, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.